friends, welcome to Monkey Art! And guys, today we're gonna draw Submarine from a cartoon called Octonauts. And we're gonna use one piece of paper, we're gonna use some cool color markers, and we're gonna need one black marker, and I'm gonna use my rocket marker. And let's get started. So I have put 1, 2, 3 dots to make a semicircle. Okay, we're gonna start this cool submarine where all Octonauts characters go on a mission. I have put some dots and I'm gonna make semicircle just like this, and on the bottom side as well. Okay, and then we're gonna go all the way down. We're gonna make that shape, but before that we're gonna also add a little wing. So this cool submarine has wing as well. So we're gonna make that kind of shape, and let's add another one, another line just below it, like that. And now we're gonna go all the way down and connect these. And then we're gonna connect this one as well. And there we go. Okay, now we're gonna add some propellers at the bottom. One, you can add as many as you like. I'm gonna add 2. So this helps our little submarine to move. Then we're gonna add another one here. Just like that. And now we're gonna draw the front parts where the glass is and where all our characters are. So we're gonna draw something like that, and this is gonna be a glass window, the front window. Okay, and we're gonna draw another little line here. And this is the main board of the submarine. Okay, and it's gonna be all glass. Okay, now we're gonna add a few smaller windows on the side, just like on airplane. 1, 2. Okay, then we're gonna add some lights in the front, just circles, 1 circle, 2 circles, and then we're gonna have another one here, but since it's on the side you cannot see it like circles, but like that. Okay, then we have another little shape just in front, going like rectangle, or it can be mouth as well. We have a little character, we have 2 eyes and mouth of our little submarine. And then we have also some cool little parts on the top. It goes like this and like that, and has a little circle shape on the top, just like that. And I'm not sure what that is, maybe some kind of laser or something, but it's definitely way too cool. And then we can add one more line going all the way around this little central parts. And we can add some bolts in the middle. And you can add some other things if you want. You can use your imagination and experiment and make some cool stuff. Okay guys, now we're gonna go to color and we're gonna fast forward this part. And there we go guys, our submarine is looking cool, it's looking awesome, and we're gonna give it a little check mark. It's completed, and we're gonna give it a little heart, maybe going just here, because we love our little drawing. And that was all for today guys, I hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next lesson. Bye bye. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and let's keep creating these super cool drawings.